Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to get a custom cursor in Windows. First, open your browser and go to Google. Type custom mouse cursors and press enter. Choose a trusted website with good reviews. Download the cursor pack you like. Make sure the file is in CUR or ANI format. These are the formats Windows uses for mouse pointers. After downloading, remember where the file was saved, usually in your Downloads folder. Now, go to the search bar at the bottom of your screen and type mouse settings. Click on the result that appears. In the mouse settings window, look for an option called Additional Mouse Settings and click it. A new window will open. In this new window, go to the tab called Pointers. You will see different cursor roles, such as Normal Select or Busy. Choose the one you want to change, usually Normal Select. Then click the Browse button. This will open a File Explorer window. Navigate to the folder where you saved your downloaded cursor. Click on the cursor file you want to use, and then click Open. You will see the cursor preview change to your selected design. Now click Apply at the bottom of the window, and then click OK. Your new cursor is now active. Move your mouse around to make sure everything works smoothly. This is the complete process. Thanks for watching.